Reporting again from Mariani, one of the most interesting and most important showrooms just in the center of Milan and in the Salone of Milan, fuori Salone. We are with Paola Galdi. She's the International Affairs Head of Politecnico di Milan, POLI.design, and she's developing a lot of projects with architects and interior designers all around the world, with the Asian students, with the Hispano-American students, with students from, as I said, all over the world. We are really very thrilled to have you here. Hello, Paola.
Hi, good
afternoon. Because she has really a very accurate vision of what is happening in the new generations of architects and interior designers right now. I would like to, the first question is about the commitment, the new sustainability and the new sensitivity of craftsmanship and new technologies altogether. Could you perceive this point of view?
First of all, I would like to thank you, Marisa Santamaria, for the interview. I would like to thank, for sure, Mariani Showroom for this incredible opportunity for being in this Fuori Salone again together. POLI.design is a consortium founded by Politecnico di Milano 22 years ago, and we manage the education, which we call continuous education, postgraduate education, all over the world. As you were saying, we receive students from more than 90 countries, and actually Politecnico in the QS Art and Design is the first school in Italy, third in Europe, and fifth in the world. So we have a huge reputation, and internationalization, which is a difficult word, is one of the most important missions we want to develop. It's about exchange cultures, it's about exchange knowledge, it's about exchange empathy with the other countries. That's why it's so important that receiving students from all over the world and sending our students to the other university in different countries.
Then you have the passion, you perceive what are into their expectations on design. Exactly. How do you perceive this new position of design?
The new generation, I was saying before, Maurizio Mariani, they have a different commitment related to my generation, for example, because the world has changed, not always in best way, but it's changing. So I think that the role of education is to spread this enthusiastic passion we have in our job, to convince the new generation that they have the power of spread new cultures, new knowledge, and they need to exchange the competences. Europe is a family. Unione Europea is a family, so we need to work in this field also with the policies of the governments. And the world is a unique family. We need to exchange, as me and you, as Italian and Spanish, we need to exchange our expertise to enforce the international network.
Absolutely. The exchange of expertise, exchange of culture, as you can see in a lot of brands and companies around the world, like Yadro, there's a lot of cultures inside the pieces. We are surrounded by very creative pieces, very even shocking pieces, but at the same time with a strong commitment. The brand of Yadro has strong commitment with sustainability, with the roots, with the essence of the material, but also to project them to the future with the new technologies. That is one of the most important projection of design today, do you think?
Yes, I totally agree. In POLI.design and in Politecnico di Milano, the research is the most important part. Research about materials, research about new trends, the research about sustainability, which is not just an empty word, it's something real. We were discussing before with Spazio Mariani about the attention that Italian culture gives to materials, to finishing, and also to the history of our families related to between artisan and crafts and design. Sustainability must be taught since the beginning, since the primary school until the high level of university as Politecnico di Milano and POLI.design.
Okay, we are finishing this short interview, but I would like just a last opinion about the hope of the future in the new generations, because they are into the digital world, but at the same time they are returning to the paper. They are returning to the craftsmanship of
Totally.
Ceramics. And they are returning in some way to the ancient, as you said, policies. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, I was in the afternoon, I was with a Colombian university from Bogota, and we were talking, they are a school of art and craft. The importance to make things, especially after the pandemic situation we have, not just thought about design concept, but also see an output, something realized. We need the new generation. I need to tell directly to them. They could feel engaged in the process. They could feel actors of the future. The activists talk about this, the incredible work made from Greta, for example, about the climate change, something that is related to design. Design, it's for us in Politecnico, POLI.design, a lot of things. It's not just product, it's communication, it's cultural heritage, it's how you perceive the digital activities, it's business. So we need that the new generation feel this engagement in this process. They are the first actor for us.
Thank you very much, Paola Galli. And of course, all the new designers, the new professionals of design, I'm sure they are invited to Mariani to touch the materials, to feel the powerful message of the new design with the strong roots, with the past and projected to the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you.